Reports of multiple injuries and fatalities after shooting at Virginia Walmart. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A shooting incident at a Walmart store in Chesapeake, Virginia on Tuesday night has resulted in multiple fatalities, police said in a statement. The suspect is believed to be also dead. Police officers were dispatched to the Super Center around 10:12 p.m. local time, the Chesapeake's police spokesperson Leo Kozinski said in a statement to reporters. Over the course of 30 to 45 minutes, we were able to find multiple fatalities and multiple injuries, Kozinski said in a statement. The exact number of deceased and wounded victims have not yet been confirmed. The suspected shooter is believed to have carried out the act alone. The shooting was believed to have occurred inside the store, Kozinski added, although at least one body was found outside the store.
So pretty basically, it's very limited information at this point. So at 10:12 p.m., our emergency dispatch center received a call for a shooting that occurred here at the Walmart here on Sam Circle. I apologize, my phones. So we respond initially. We found, as soon as we get here, we find basic evidence that a shooting had occurred, what was actively going on. So we responded in an active shooter fashion. We're trained for that. It falls within our area of what we do. So we go inside, and long story short, over the course of the next 30, 45 minutes, we were able to find multiple fatalities and multiple injured parties. With the Chesapeake Fire Department, we were able to put rescue and tactical teams together to go inside to provide life-saving measures rapidly and quickly. And then through the course of the investigation, we believe it was a single shooter, and we believe that shooter is deceased at this time. Officers are still on scene right now, combing through the building just to be sure. But as of right now, we believe it's only one shooter, and we believe that one shooter is deceased right now. Like I said before, there's multiple fatalities and multiple injuries. So we're just a little over an hour into the incident, and unfortunately, it's very fluid right now. And that's all I have at this time.
Do you want to say if the shooter is self-inflicted?
We do not know at this time.
Was the shooter an employee?
We do not know at this time.
Were any shots fired by police?
Not to my knowledge. I do not believe so.
So when you guys got here, was it pretty much, over, I guess?
I do not know. I don't know the timeline just yet. I kind of got here quite a bit after the fact that it happened. I believe that the shooting had stopped when we arrived, but I'm not 100% sure on that. So we did treat it as an active threat response, which is within our normal response tactics.
Was it just Chesapeake Police that responded, or did you have
Initially, it was just Chesapeake Police, but I believe I saw a state trooper vehicle outside earlier that's providing some assistance.
And you probably can't answer this, but when you say multiple fatalities, over 5, any age range? Not age range.
I don't know. I think right now it's less than 10. I think that's pretty accurate right now.
Did the shootings happen inside the store or outside, or do we know?
I believe it happened inside.
Inside. Any employees involved? I think we may want to ask that.
I do not know.
But there is at least one deceased outside the building, correct?
Correct. There is one person that's deceased outside right now.
But the shootings happened at least inside, perhaps outside as well.
Could be. I'm not 100% sure.
What's your next steps?
Right now, it's an open crime scene. It's an active investigation. We have officers inside, detectives responding. We're still combing through the building to look for more victims, both injured or deceased, and we're just kind of providing that care at this point before we turn it completely over to the criminal investigation section. At that point, it becomes just a full-fledged, essentially a homicide investigation.
Are you actively looking for anybody right now?
We are still looking for people.
As far
But
as
right now,
somebody,
we don't believe we believe there was only one shooter. So we're not really looking for another shooter, but we're prepared if there is.
That's what I was asking.
That's basically what it is. But we're also looking for more victims because people could be scared, they could be hiding, they could be injured. So that's kind of where we're at right now.
Can you tell us about the initial response, the initial 911 calls? Were they calls of a shooting or injured person? How did that?
Initially, it came in as a call of a shooting. I don't know how many calls came in. I just looked it up on my computer system, which is what kind of our we call it CAD, computer data dispatch. That's where I got the information was from on there. And the initial call came in, I believe, was around 10:12 p.m.
Are you confident that you've located all victims?
Not yet. We're still looking.
Still looking for victims.
But you got to remember,
you're
too,
not
this is
necessarily looking. We're not necessarily looking for any kind of vicious shooter.
correct. I mean, this is a large, very large store. It's a super center. I mean, you know, a lot of area, a lot of hiding spots. I don't know how many people were here. So, you know, when the guy comes in, shots ring out, people could get scared. They could be hiding. You know, we want to make sure everybody's accounted for. We want to make sure there's nobody injured that needs medical assistance, that's either conscious or unconscious, that needs help. We're trying to, you know, basically we're trying to make the building safe and locate all victims. Is kind of where we're at this point.
This might not be a question you can answer either, but do you guys know yet if the shooter came in with the intent of doing this, or if something happened inside the store?
We're not sure.
As far as you know, there was only one shooter. Is that correct?
Right now, we believe it's only been one shooter. Yes.
Was the shooter employed by Walmart?
Say again?
Did the shooting happen during store hours?
I believe the building's open 24/7.
Okay.
I believe it is. Say
Was
ma'am?
the shooter employed by Walmart?
I don't know. Not sure. That's part of the investigation. I don't have an exact number right now. We have multiple fatalities and multiple injuries. I don't know. I was telling them I think it's probably less than 10 fatalities right now, but I don't have a hard number. That could change.
Fatalities.
Yeah, correct, fatalities. I
And-
believe there's
and
several
there are
fatalities
people-
and several injuries.
How many
So
were
wait.
shot total, including fatalities?
I don't know.
So I want to ask, we've seen a lot of people leaving the parking lot, probably shoppers. Are there exit interviews? Are you canvassing the people who were here? I see a lot of people leaving.
Yeah, I don't know. I've been over here with you guys. I don't really know what's going on there. You know, there's dozens and dozens of officers over there handling that aspect. I really don't know. I can't say right now. Family Reunification Center is at the Chesapeake Conference Center. I don't have the address for that right now. If you guys, I believe it's Conference Center Drive. I don't know the exact numeric. I would say if you guys could put out just to probably stay clear of the area right now. Obviously, the store's closed right now while we conduct our police investigation. And like I said, the Family Reunification Center for anybody that thinks that they might have had a loved one that shopped here, or hold on. Steve, will you call dispatch and just ensure them that if anybody calls in, they give them my work number, not my personal cell number, please? Because I'm sorry about that. My phones are ringing.
So that's a place where family members
Yes,
can go.
if you believe your family member was here, go to the Chesapeake Conference Center. That's where we're the
Okay.
Family Reunification.
That's good.
I apologize. There's not a whole lot.
No,
There'll
that's
be
okay. We
more
appreciate
coming
what
out.
you have.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. We know we can be a handful.
That's what we
We'll
do.
be here for a while.
Should we expect another update in about an hour?
Yeah, I think in about an hour I'll do something else, but I don't really expect to have a whole lot more. I'll try to, but that's
It's
kind of where we're at
fluid.
right
Yeah,
now. I'm doing my best.
We appreciate you. Thank you.
Oh yeah, sorry.
An employee that was at the facility when the incident occurred provided a video and gave an update of his account of the incident.
See you, he was looking for me. I know he was probably looking for me.
Yes, sir, Wendy. And Wendy said, Andre, please, please. He said, get the fuck out of here. We just did the motherfucking active. He waited till everybody was in that motherfucking break room. And you know what? I saw him when he went in the office.
Yeah. You alright?
No.
I know. I'm
seen
talking about, are you alright? Are you call your son?
I just played dead. My phone in there.
Oh, okay.
I just played dead. And I'm
That
glad he
shit
didn't look to see
crazy,
that it was no
y'all.
blood, you know what I mean?
Bro, come in this bitch on some old. He it's wild though, bro. It was the manager, one of the managers. Shit is savage out here. I'm holdo,
I
y'all.
need a motherfucking cigarette.
This shit ain't goddamn. Yeah.
Dude, and it was like 10:09. I was about to walk in, and then all of a sudden, and so you just like, it's crazy. And I was like, where is gunshot down?
That's other
Yeah, I'm good. You know, this is I come for this. This shit ain't nothing to me. Bro blew his brains out and everything. Andre. That's how he killed the girl in there and everything. He came in that bitch, started spraying and shit. He killed Brian. Oh no. Yeah, shit savage, yo. I'm sorry for the victims. That shit sad, man. Brian, janitor. Little Brian. Yeah.
Oh my God! Who?
Little Brian with the cornrows, janitor. That's what they said. Sarah on the ground, well, over there with the police.
The shooting guy?
The guy's on the ground?
No, Sarah's on the ground.
Who is that shooting?
Andre.
Andre?
Andre.
Andre?
Yeah.
Little manager guy?
Yeah.
Why he shoot everybody?
I couldn't tell y'all. I don't know.
What the hell?
Yeah, manager.
You got people on the inside of the
Nigga, it just got real up here, y'all.
down to try to get out. So who got shot?
That's crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and move that off. The body's over there, so out of respect, let me go ahead and move. Yeah, y'all. Man, I'm talking about just left out the break room. Manager come in there, started capping people up in there. Started shooting, bro. Like, I'm whole though, y'all. Sadly though, we lost a few of our associates. I don't know how many. I'm not gonna speak on it. I'm not gonna show it because I ain't like that. But I'm whole, y'all. The story is that. I mean, I came in, goddamn.
What's going on here?
Shooter. Goddamn.
Real talk?
Yeah.
Bro, I was just about to come in and get some snacks.
Ain't getting them now.
Fuck.
But pretty much, the manager came in here, started dumping, man. As soon as I left out the break room, he went in there, man. By the grace of God, yo. Man, I don't know. That shit wild. Probably about 2 or 3. I'm talking about. It was crazy because, we coming out from where we at, man, I hear all of this before. So it's like, I'm thinking it won't nothing. But then I started hearing them getting closer. So, shit, I booked it. I seen everybody run. I booked it too. Shit, I got up out of there. But yeah, right before Thanksgiving. But yeah, fella. I ain't gonna, you know what I'm saying, turn the camera, you know what I'm saying, show no bodies or none of that weird shit, you know what I'm saying, I'm built different, I ain't doing all that. Don't ask. Manager shot a couple people in here.
Manager something like this?
A couple people was hit. I'm gonna let y'all see. But I ain't gonna show y'all no bodies or nothing, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, it's real out here, y'all. This ain't no game. Ain't no game. Sadly, Walmart on Battlefield. Call your peoples if they work up here, check on them if you ain't heard from them. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. Sad. He waited. Yeah, he plotted this. You can tell he plotted this shit. That's crazy though. I left my jacket. It's cold as a fuck out here. I don't think I got another jacket. Ugh. Yeah, y'all, this shit wild out here. Word up. Left my coffee. Niggas just watched the active shooter video. That's the whole crazy shit.
And he did it.
And he did it. But man, that man a coward for that, bro. You kill people that ain't did nothing to you. Like, you soft for that. He lucky he blew his brains out. That's some weird shit. That shit crazy though.
The crazy thing is, I literally clocked in and was literally.
No cap though. I literally walked out the break room, right? And as soon as probably about no less than 5 minutes, I'm like, and then I start hearing the shooting, Byron. That shit crazy. I done left my fucking jacket in there. It's fucking cold. It's ice. I think I got me a jacket in here. But yeah, y'all, if y'all just tuned in, sadly, Battlefield Walmart just got shot up by one of my managers. He killed a couple of people. By the grace of God, I made it, and all the other people I knew made it. Literally just walked out the place he shot up. No later than like 3-5 minutes. Shit's crazy, y'all. But yeah, apparently he blew his brains out. Andre. It was Andre. That's what they say.
Right at me. He didn't shoot me though. He looked right at me. I didn't know it was him. I didn't know it was him. He looked right at me, and then he just paused, and I ran out the back door, and I didn't know where he went. I saw him standing there. I didn't know it was him.
That's what it was.
You say who was it?
No, they say it was Andre.
Oh, it was Andre.
Yeah.
Okay.
I saw, and
That's who shot up the place.
we ran out the door at the same time, and he looked at me, but he
Gather in front of him.
and I didn't know.
Start moving that way.
I didn't know it was him. I saw him, and he stared at me, and then I ran out the back door, and he was that way.
Shit, crazy out here. Andre Gas, I don't think you know him. Shooter.
Somebody shooting on the inside?
Killed a couple people, yeah.
At the shooter?
He dead now?
Oh, the cops got him?
Nah, he killed himself, I think.
He came in Walmart?
Yeah, he a manager.
We're all meeting up at home.
All right, y'all. At home.
At home. All conversations.
This shit crazy. Yeah, y'all. That shit wild. I'm hold up. They want to have a eating. This is cold. There you go. Yeah, he shot people. But I'm good, y'all. I'm home. I'm gonna go ahead and get up off this joint. Love y'all.
Links 007 TP will continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.